Welcome back to our Math Fundamentals series. Today we're going to cover a simple but important topic that forms the basis for how we think about groups and collections of data: set theory. So what is a set? It's just a collection of distinct objects. The two most important rules are that every item in a set must be unique. You can't have the same thing twice, and the order of the items doesn't matter at all. A good analogy is a fruit bowl. The set of fruits might be an apple, a banana, and an orange. It doesn't matter what order you list them in, and you can't have two identical apples. We often visualize the relationships between sets using Venn diagrams. A union of two sets combines them. It's everything in set A or set B, or both. An intersection finds what they have in common. It's the items that are in both A and B, and a difference finds what's unique to one set. Everything in set A that is not also in set B. Now, you might be wondering why we need to know this for AI. While it's not as complex as calculus, the logic of set theory is the foundation for how we query and manipulate data. If you have a massive database, set theory provides the language for asking questions and filtering out exactly what you need. For example, finding all customers who live in California and purchased a specific product is an intersection problem. These operations are happening constantly in practical data science. When you filter a spreadsheet to only show rows that meet several conditions, you're using the logic of intersection. When you compare two lists to find the items that appear in both, that's an intersection. And when you evaluate a machine learning model, you are often comparing the set of correct predictions against the set of incorrect predictions. It's also important to realize that these are not just abstract ideas. These core set operations, union, intersection, and difference, are built directly into the powerful data science libraries we use every day, like Python's Pandas library. They are the workhorses of data manipulation. So, while it may seem simple, set theory provides the fundamental logic for grouping and filtering. It's the mathematical language we use to think about collections of items and the relationships between them. In our next lesson, we will explore another way to think about relationships: graph theory.